Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll talk about Selenium IDE. As you know, Selenium IDE is one of most popular and famous software automation testing tool which can record and playback. So after recording your script, you can convert that script as a Java JUnit test script. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you how you'll record your test. Thereafter, you can convert that test into Java JUnit script and run it to Eclipse IDE. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process how to do that. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. As part of today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. Convert Selenium IDE to Java JUnit script, then we'll launch Selenium IDE, then we'll record and run a test. Thereafter, convert Selenium IDE test to Java JUnit script. Thereafter, we'll run converted script from Eclipse. In order to do that, first we need to open Microsoft Edge. As you know, Selenium IDE supports now Microsoft Edge, Chrome and Firefox. Any browser you can use and then install Selenium IDE. Those who are new in Selenium IDE and needs to know how to install Selenium IDE as a browser add-on, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch it from there. So here already my Selenium IDE installed and it is showing in toolbar. So you can click that Selenium IDE icon. Thereafter it will open this way and there is a pop-up. In this pop-up it has a 4 option: record a new test in a new project, open an existing project, create a new project, close Selenium IDE. That means if you have already existing project, you can open that, modify, run, whatever needed. So we'll do first option, record a new test in a new project. Click that. It is asking the project name. Project name basically the project you are working on. Based on that it will be named. Now for demonstration purpose, I will put that name as a project 1. Then click OK. Thereafter it is asking the base URL, the application you will be test on. We'll do the Google because we will search something on Google and we'll do that test. Click copy that Google URL from here and paste it over here. Then click start recording. As soon as you will click start recording, browser will open. You see bottom right side of the browser corner is Selenium IDE is recording. That means whatever action you will perform over here, all will be recorded. In the top right side corner of the Selenium IDE, the recording sign blinking. You can stop the recording from there too. So we'll search something in from the search box like Selenium. Then we'll click Google search button. Search result appear. Then we'll close the browser. That's all for test. Now we can stop from here. So it is asking the test name. Test name is the Google search. Then hit OK. It is our test. So first we need to verify that our test is working or not. Then in order to do that, you need to click in the run button. Click run current test. Click over here. Also, you can do something test execution speed from here. We'll do little bit slower because we need to see that how it works. Thereafter, click the run test. It is running, browser open, Google homepage open. It starts with the Selenium. That means test is passed, completed successfully. Thereafter, we need to convert this script as a Java JUnit. In order to do that, mouse over to your test case name. Thereafter, you will see 3 dot button. Click over here. Then you need to click export. So here are the multiple options for exporting: C# NUnit, C# XUnit, Java JUnit, JavaScript Mocha, Python PyTest, Ruby, RSpec. We are doing the JUnit today. So for future video, I will do other thing too. So as selected Java JUnit, then click export. Now it is asking the location. I'll save this one in my desktop. So then click save. It is already saved in desktop. So now open that folder, desktop folder, and look for Google search test.java. Right click, edit with Notepad++. It is your script. First, take a look the class name. Let me copy that class name. Copy. Now you need to go to Eclipse. Here already my project package already set it up. Those who are new in Eclipse IDE and how to set it up Selenium test in there, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can take a look from there. So here already my package created. Go to the package, right click, then new JUnit test case. So class name, whatever already created, converted class name, I am putting the same name over here. Then click finish. Here we need to copy paste our converted script. Let me go to the Notepad++, select all, Control A, and copy from here and go to the Eclipse IDE and paste it over here. Then after pasting, you need to save and you need to take a look if there are any error or not. So far I see there is no error. After clicking, it will close that. Before closing, we need to put some wait time, red dot sleep, let's say 5 milliseconds, which is 5000 milliseconds, means 5 seconds. So mouse over, add throws declaration, red mark will be gone. Thereafter, I'll put another statement, SYSO. It's a console print message. Converted script passed. That means if this script goes thoroughly and it is passed, you will get this message in console. So it's optional. I just putting as a verification purpose. You can do or you cannot do. It depends on up to you. Once it is saved, go to your script, then right click, then run as JUnit test. Yeah, test is running and it will open Microsoft Edge browser already open. It will navigate to google.com. It is navigated. It will search with the keyword Selenium. Yeah, it is searched and search result appear. Now it will close the browser. Browser close and console message printed as expected. That means whatever converted script, it is passed. Let me see the JUnit test result. Yes, it is. You see the green mark, it is passed. That means when you are recording your script with Selenium IDE, you don't need to write any Selenium WebDriver script. You just need to convert, then use it in any IDE like Eclipse, also many more IDE. You can just copy paste and then you can run your test. So that's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing using Selenium IDE, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.